Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are continuing today from the production range at Stutzman's in Pleasant View, of course, with one of our favorite people on the show, Mr. Ben Miller. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
You know, it's so fun to bring you guys in behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And your different things happen here through this whole complex throughout the year. And we kind of get you involved in a lot of different stuff.
Yeah.
Right now we're planting the pansies for this fall. And we have specialty companies that actually do the seeding for us. This is what they look like. There's 288 of these little plugs in this tray. And we're transplanting here with our robot transplanter.
This thing's amazing.
It is amazing. It has an incredible amount of capability. We're planting into a 4-inch pot right now, so it would be 3 strokes because there's 3 wide in the tray. And it automatically transitions to the next set as it's done. You'll see here pretty directly here. Okay,
there it goes.
It's emptying out, automatically advances the next tray up to it. And so the challenge, of course, is making sure that the varieties and everything is kept, you know, to what they really are supposed to be and tagged. But it has been a wonderful process for uniformity, quality control, and our staff has fun with it.
Yeah. Well, really quick, tell us about Pansies and what makes them so special.
Absolutely. Pansies really don't perform that well fruit in Kansas here during the summer, but they are an awesome fall plant and will often survive our winters and will come back into bloom in the spring, you know, and sometimes we'll have a winter that, you know, just really knock them back and burn them up, if you would, but then we'll come back on. But yeah, we say they're really not a pansy for summer, but for fall colors, amazing.
Amazing. Well, tell us how people can get more information and get their hands on some of these.
We'll have them in our stores right around the second week of September.
Okay.
Should have them ready to go. And of course, fall planting, along with a lot of other things that we'd have in months and things like that. But always go to Stutzmans.com. And of course, you can always get more with Jason at questions@stutzmans.com. And he does an amazing job of getting back with us.
Always great to see you, Ben.
Always.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.
Do you have a suggestion for our Furry Friends segment? Everything from family cats and dogs to the horses and cattle that keep our state moving. We'd love to hear about them all. Send us your story ideas to gooddaykansas@ksn.com. More of the show continues right after this.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived, gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green.